How to review articles you've read on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review articles you've read on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and here you will find this activity log here, and now click groups, communities, events and reels, and then click this one, profile information, and go down until you find articles you've read.
And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.